me here I have the M1 MacBook Air, the 2020 version. So all you have to do is press Command Shift 5. I'll say that again, it's Command Shift 5. Okay, so after pressing Command Shift 5 at the same time, you will see something like this. Down here you have something like capture entire screen, capture selected window, capture selected portion, record the entire screen, record selected portion, and the record button. So for me here, I'm going to press record entire screen, and then I'll press record. So yeah, right there you know it has already started recording. You can do whatever you want to do. You can record whatever you want to record on your screen, and then after that all you have to do is come back here and press stop, and then it'll stop recording, and then you have your recorded video right here of your screen, and there you have it. That's all you have to do. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.